Allow your eyes to comfortably close. As you do so, come down into your body's weight and volume and the movements your body makes as you breathe. Breathe out down the full length of your body, allowing your body to soften and release what it's brought with it here and no longer needs to carry. Let it flow out and away. And in your own time, notice the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath it. Give more of your weight to its support. Notice the surface is steady. And sit back onto the steadiness. Breathe the steadiness of ground up into your body. Slowly up into your mind. Let it steady you. As you do so, allow your breath to slow down and lengthen. And become aware of the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. Notice the air is cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Notice the movements your body makes as you breathe. The expansion of the in-breath, the release of the out. Notice the opening outwards and moving upwards motion of the in-breath as your chest, thorax and shoulders open to receive nourishment in this moment. If there hasn't been an opportunity of late to receive nourishment for its own sake, you can go ahead and let that happen now as you breathe in. Savor the life force as it fills your nostrils, goes down into your lungs, enters your bloods and waters and flows round the whole of your body, nourishing your organs and tissues and recharging every cell within you. Welcome this miraculous life force around you and within you. And allow your attitude towards yourself to become kinder, warmer. Let loving kindness in around you. All the way around you. Like a beautiful nest of loving kindness. Let it hold you. As you do so, notice the softening, letting go motion of the out-breath. Notice how the whole of your upper body follows through with that softening, letting go motion as the breath flows out. Allow your breath to flow out to its full end. If it's felt like you haven't had the opportunity to breathe out fully of late, you can go ahead and do that now. Helping your body to release by sensing everything softening on the out-breath. Every tissue, muscle and ligament softening and releasing as you breathe out. All holdings flowing out in a river, down your body, out and away. In your own time, breathe into your mind and allow this part of you to soften and release everything it's been carrying as you breathe out. Let it flow out of you and away. And breathe into yourself, the part of you that's been in the driver's seat of your body and your mind, and allow it to release everything it no longer needs to carry as you breathe out. Let it all flow out and away. And say the affirmations. I let go of everything I no longer need to hold on to. I let go of everything that isn't mine to carry. In your own time and when you are ready, notice your nest of loving kindness around you. And breathe the healing balm of loving kindness into all the places within you in need of kindness, in need of healing. Allow them to take as much as they need. Letting loving kindness fill you up from top to toe. in your own time and when you are ready. Gently come back to the sensation of air entering your nostrils and leaving. Notice the air is cool as it enters, warm as it leaves. Notice the movements your body makes as you breathe. And the contact your body is making with the surface directly beneath you. Notice the steadiness still there. And slowly breathe the steadiness of ground up into you once again. Right up to your mind. Let it steady you. When you are ready, notice you're breathing in from the space around you and out into it. Notice you're here in this moment. And in your own way, your own time, you can draw this meditation to a close.